Folks, James Power here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this stunning 2018 BMW X4 xDrive20d Sport. It comes in this red metallic finish with the massive BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, front parking camera and front parking sensors. Come around to the side, you have the massive BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres with the blue M Sport brake pads and the M Sport badging. The privacy glass in the rear comes by the black trim, shark fin antenna on top, and the sunroof also to give you those panoramic views. Come around to the back, you have the rear spoiler, the BMW X4 xDrive20d badging, the twin exhausts, a rear parking camera and rear parking sensors. This car is also fitted with an automatic trunk, just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop right open. Now folks, let's take a quick look at the interior. Now we have the fully digital cockpit with real-time traffic information, the multifunctional M Sport paddle shift steering wheel. This car is fitted with a sports mode, a comfort mode, an eco pro mode and an adaptive mode. Also on board is the BMW iDrive system, the automatic transmission, the e-brake, the front and rear parking cameras, 360-degree sensors, the interior comes in a black Dakota leather with a red M Sport stitch, accompanied by the platinum trim. Fully electric windows, collapsible mirrors, upgraded sound system, heated seats, automatic windscreen wipers, automatic lights, heads up display. Unfortunately you cannot see that just with the camera, panoramic sunroof as I said, navigation system and many other extras. Now that's just a quick look around this 2018 BMW X4 xDrive20d Sport. If you have any questions about this car, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.